age, height and sign Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this Instagram chain story right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from here you have to go to trending at highlights and click until you find the desired sticker. And here I only have viral add your stickers, and you can check these too if you want. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on this button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. I will go with this photo of me, and from here you can place your sticker where you want to make it bigger or smaller. And now let's add the text with the age, height and sign. So go to text from right top corner and type in your age, then you can hit enter, then you can type in your height. This is in centimeters right here, but you can add it in feet. Then click and add your sign. So from here you can go to color and choose your desired color. I will go with this one, and you can add as many effects as you want. So once you're happy with it, you can click on the done button from the right of screen. You can place this where you want and make it bigger or smaller using your two fingers. And you can also go to the stickers and search here for your sign and choose a nice emoji and place it where you want. So once you're happy with your story, you can click on the send to button, or you can click on the share to your story from the left bottom corner. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.